Hello lovelies, what is up? Welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Danielle and I create beauty content for women over 40. Whether it's makeup from the drugstore or makeup from Sephora, I love creating tutorials for you guys and trying out new makeup with you guys. Today I picked up a blush from Superstore. I picked up the QUO Beauty Double Up Blush Duo Cream and Powder Blush in this nice hot pink. So we are going to do a blush look today. We are going to do Hollywood cheekbones. So if that sounds like something you are interested in, it would be amazing if you could give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and just keep watching. All right, I got the side part going on. I saw a lot of that in the Victoria's Secret fashion show. So this is gonna draw inspiration from that and just inspiration from the blushes I've been seeing a lot on the red carpet lately. So I'm gonna use my contouring wand first from Essence. This is a duo stick and I have it in the shade Light. So I usually just kind of use a big fluffy brush and cream bronzer and just kind of buff that all around my cheekbones just to create a diffused look, but I want to be a little bit more precise today, and then we'll buff that out later just to kind of map out how we're gonna do the cheekbones. Most of the times I just kind of follow that natural cheekbone line, but because we want more of a lifted sculpt, I'm just going to angle this more on an upward diagonal. I didn't go too far into the cheekbone either because we want lots of volume here. So this is kind of just the support of the cheekbone, like mapping it out, the first kind of areas we want to deepen just to add brightness right there. So it's kind of like shifting the natural contour up a little bit higher. Now I'm going to go in with a warmer bronzer. I'm going to go in with my Baby Got Bronze from Essence. This one is very pigmented and nice and warm. So I'm just going to kind of follow that same area and the same kind of pattern. And I'll just come out a little bit further. So just blend that into the contour, but just coming out a little bit further on my cheeks. I set that a little bit, so I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl True Blend So Flush High Pigmented Bronzer in the shade Sunset Glitz. I want a little bit of warmth and also a little bit of shimmer in there. I don't want it to be too matte. Right now we're going to get into the blush and try this one out. It definitely has a feel of the Patrick Ta blushes. I know that QUO Beauty does a lot of kind of dupe looking products, so I'm going to go into the cream part first, and I'm just going to use a stippling brush to pick up a little bit of that cream. Looking pretty pigmented. So for my blush, I'm going to stay right on top of my cheekbone here. Oh yeah, that's got some nice pigment. So that is what I'm seeing a lot of, these bright pinks that are right up on top of the cheekbone, super high, not the apples of the cheeks, and just almost going right into the under eye. That is a pigmented blush, you guys. Wow. I probably could have just did this with my finger. So I'm just blending down a little bit more on a diagonal and just keeping a lot of brightness under the eye. Use something brighter today because you're seeing a lot of that too. Right, I have a feeling this is going to be really pigmented as well since the cream part was, but it'll show up nicely on camera. So I'm going to go kind of right over top of that. 100% recommend you guys trying this one out from QUO Beauty. Very affordable. I think it was only $10 and you're getting 2 really good quality products in there. Let's finish this off with some highlighter. I'm going in with my Sephora Colorful Luminizer in the shade Iced Pearl. I'm just taking this rounded fluffy brush and I'm going to go right on top of that. Right on top of that blush. And I'm kind of just extending it a little bit to underneath the eye and on the apple of the cheek. You can even bring it up towards the temple. Put a little bit on my nose. Finishing off the look, I line my lips with my Makeup by Mario lip liner in the shade Rich Mauve. And then I'm going to go into my Merit Beauty lip slick oil because we want a glossy look on the lips. I'm going to take you guys down into the natural light so you get a better just of the shades of the blush and just the placement of the product. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you guys again soon.